We're going to install a Bosch dishwasher system. It's a little different than some of them. Bosch, for whatever reason, has a different power cord junction box. Everything unboxed. Pretty interesting. They use wood and foam and plastic instead of so much cardboard. On the side are the instructions. The 300 series. Need to remove the old one. I kind of have it rigged up with light switches. The circuit board blew on this one, so I did everything manual. Pull this old one out and plug this one. Disconnect the drain. Of course, there's going to be a little bit of water. Last line to disconnect is the water, but we're going to need to turn the water off first. Under the sink, I've got a valve right here. This one has a quarter turn off. Tilt the old one down, and we'll just need to disconnect this here. Snip the nut. Imagine that, more water. Point, we're free. Connect the 110 plug right here. Handy on the new install. And off the wire nuts. Cutting all this copper out. Copper's like $5 a pound now. Cord I'll use on the new install. Sometimes the dishwasher is hardwired. Putting this plug into here. The junction box. The top off. Here we have hot, the white one is neutral, and the green one is ground. Everything with this clamp in this hole. This over the plug, tighten it up, insert the wires, nut down, tighten up that nut. Green with the green lug, the neutral and the hot. As I'm plugging into the wall, I actually don't need this, and I'll show you why. In the back, there's a plug that'll plug into the wall and then plug right into the machine here. If I was gonna hardwire, I would need that other box. That's good, that'll save 20 bucks. In the back, here's the drain. Protect the front so I can set it on its back. Bottom, this is where the solenoid valve is, where the water is gonna go in. The dishwasher, we have a hose. Where plumbing gets interesting, so we have a 3/4 inch thread. Needs to hook into a 3/8 inch hose. Some of the pieces in the old system might come in handy. Here's a 3/8 to 1/2 inch elbow. I need 3/4 to 1/2 inch. Kind of like a go fish game, hoping that you don't have to go to the store. Here's a roundabout way. We've got a 3/4 to 3/8. We'll go here, but we'll need the coupler in here. So a coupler like this. Go between here, our 3/8 to our 1 inch. Will be, how do we drain this? Needs to go right in here. Remove this hose. See about how to connect this one. It does fit on there real nice and tight. This clamp, or they may have given me a new one. Here it is. Connect it, put it back on here. Put it into place. Tighten up this clamp. Got that on nice and tight. Our water in. We have our water out, and we have our electricity. Add everything into place. We'll connect up each utility. Plug this into the front. Put it right onto this 3/4 inch fitting. Snug it up. It's up in here and kind of catch it. 90-degree turn will go on here. Grab a clip. Place it on here. Push it all the way in, then move the clip up to here to tighten it up. Just work it on there. There's connected, drainage is connected. Now we can plug it in. Plug it in, powered up, the lights are on. Go ahead and put it in, make it look nice. Put it in real nice. Run a load and make sure everything works. It's running. It's actually not too loud. I'm not hating this.